There's one important question that determines whether your business is going to grow or fail. Who are you selling to? If your answer is everyone, you need to watch this video. When you try to please everyone, you end up pleasing no one. There's a unique group of people out there who desperately need what you have to offer. Imagine having to host a dinner party without getting to know your guests first. You could end up serving meat to vegans or ice cream to lactose-intolerant people. Running a business without knowing who your customers are is pretty much the same, a gamble. Your products have a huge potential to be bestsellers, but before you get there, you need a solid customer base. This is why creating a client profile is key. In this video, I will cover everything you need to know about client profiles, how to build one, and how to use this information to make your shop a huge success. So, what's a client profile? A client profile is a document that lists pain points, interests, buying patterns, and demographic characteristics of your customers. It's presented in a way that makes it look like a description of a real person with a full name, face, and everything. This will be a base for you to build your business and marketing strategy on. So how do you build a client profile? Don't rely on guesswork alone when building your customer profile. There are 4 simple steps that will help you get started. Examine existing customers. The first step is to analyze people who already love your products. From your existing customers or active social media followers, pick out a few and check out their profiles to get an insight into their personality. This is very valuable information that will help you build a thorough profile. Eavesdrop on social media. If you want to find out a little more about the people who are currently looking for your products, services, or content, eavesdropping on social media conversations is the way to go. Find and join Facebook groups, Quora, Reddit, LinkedIn to see who's interested in this niche and what kind of questions they're asking. It's an amazing opportunity to listen to your customer. Spy on your competitors. Look at their social media properties and website to see who they think their audience is. One of the best ways to do this is to look at their content and see who they're trying to attract. Use analytics tools. Another foolproof way to find out who's interested in your product and niche is to look at the data. Google Analytics is the go-to platform for many business owners. It's free, offers a wide range of features, and allows you to do an in-depth analysis of the visitors on your site. If your shop doesn't have a website and you mainly operate on social media, there are some great built-in social tools for that. Some examples: Facebook page insights, Facebook group insights, Twitter analytics, Instagram insights, Pinterest analytics, and so on. To use these, make sure you have a business account. By checking these analytics, you'll be able to see the location, gender, age, and other information about those who are interested in your posts. Facebook Audience Insights is an amazing tool that gives you information about 2 groups of people: those who are connected to your page and those who are not. You can see the content that resonates with both and use it to your advantage. It shows you the age and gender breakdowns, education levels, job titles, relationship statuses, and more. Use it to learn about people's interests and hobbies. I'll link all of these tools in the template and the description below. Make sure to take a look at them. So what do you do with all this information? Create a client profile. A client profile is simply an imagined profile of your ideal customer or client. We've added a worksheet you could download and fill out. Once you've done your research and created a profile, think of another important part. What problem are you trying to solve for your customers? If your product or service is going to be successful, it's going to have to solve a key problem your audience is facing. Think of your own customer, what they like and what they fear. Is it the good quality, sustainable clothing that's important to them? Or maybe it's the clever t-shirts for hardcore cat lovers. A good example of this is Joe Kim, who launched a niche brand by creating beautiful, well-designed church t-shirts.
To actually have someone say, I want to buy something that you've made, that feeling never gets old. I originally started PAL Campaign many years ago, actually in 2008. A worker at my church, she was going to a conference, and this was the time when church t-shirts for conferences were like really bad, and many people could argue it's still pretty bad. So she knew I was in art school and she asked me if I could design a t-shirt. I reluctantly said yes, and then after the conference I didn't go, but I heard that the group was just bombarded by other groups saying, where did you get that t-shirt? How can I order one? And then the students started actually wearing it to weekends and parties and over again. So it wasn't just relegated to the pajama drawer. And I knew there was a market and a need for like well-designed Christian t-shirts.
Now you're armed with powerful information that will help you tailor your products and marketing strategy. There are a couple of next steps I recommend you take. Now that you know your audience, create a consistent visual brand identity. Check out this video for an in-depth guide on how to create an unforgettable brand identity. And don't forget to promote your amazing products with a marketing plan that works. Links to both of these tutorials will be listed in the description below. I hope you found this helpful. What other aspects of an amazing brand are you interested in? Let me know in the comments.